what we call now Israeli cuisine is mixing cultures together. And also understanding that we live in the Middle East, that we have this climate, and we have to get connected to it. We have to get connected to the heritage that was here in Israel and to study from it. This is another step in the evolution of this Israeli cuisine. Traditionally, you do Kibbeh Nayyeh with hunting meat. Second best is to have goat. Ya Allah. Hi. How are you? Very good. Good to see you. It's the first time I meet your father. Wow. Kavod li.
The grandfather and father and the son.
Yeah, wow. 3 generations we have here.
I am proud of them. I am 93. I am still working.
93 years old. It's amazing. So you're going to work till 93 years old also. This is a very good arak. Arak is a anise drink. It's clear, and when you add water, it becomes like milk. Cheers.
Cheers,
Ah.
Abba.
Cheers to good meat.
Thank you.
So I came to buy some goat meat, and we're going to do Kibbeh Nayyeh with Ayad. What's the best part for the Kibbeh Nayyeh?
The shock.
The leg.
The legs, yeah.
Okay, so give it to me. He asked for 2 kilos. Unfortunately, we Jews, we don't eat it. I don't know why, because it's a leaner meat and a healthier one.